Hey guys, on this episode of Big Wind Sailing, I learned how to sail. This video was shot in the British Virgin Islands in Tortola back in June. The reason I haven't put it up to this point was I went through a very hard time with passing of my dog. She's in this episode and I didn't really feel like editing it. Anyway, as most of you know, when I went to Tortola, I came back after 3 weeks and my dog had lost 6 pounds, and I took her to the vet and it turns out she had stage 5 cancer. So I'd been bummed out for a while and I just didn't feel like doing this video. I did some of the other ones without her in it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I didn't really get to sail that much. I didn't really get to film a lot of the sailing parts of this because I was learning. So I apologize for that, but there will be plenty of sailing on this channel soon enough. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and it's a little bit longer than normal, but there's a lot of footage I took, so have fun watching it. I'm out. Well, this is it. I'm going to Logan Airport in Boston. Gotta start the dream. I'm going to Tortola Sailing and SItes Sailing School. Woohoo! I'm gonna miss this little one over here. Yeah. Shmee, gonna miss you for 3 weeks. You gonna be all right? Shmee, 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 shmee. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. Well, anyway, gonna order the Uber and gonna be out of here. Can't believe it's actually here. So. Oh, see you, Shmee. I'm sorry, pupper. Bye, Shmee. Go.
She's okay.
Alright, waiting on the Uber. Yeah. Uber's coming. Bye, Shmee. Oh, here's the guy. I think he's coming down the road. And we're at Framingham Logan Express, and I'm one of a few people here. She's sleeping. Anyway, we are almost there, waiting on the bus. I'll check back later. Well, got held up in security because my dumbass put a knife in my bag by accident. Yep, I'm that dude. And I forgot to take my laptop out of my camera bag. Oh well. He gone sailing soon. Peace out.
Whenever you're flight lead on today's flight, and I'm assisted by 2 wonderful t-shirt-based flight attendants. We're excited to have you on board today's flight and look forward to serving you.
St. Thomas, baby. guys, finally made it to my room, Nanny K in Tortola. Pretty basic room here, but you know, they didn't have the hurricane, so you know, it's not bad, I guess. It has AC. I can't figure out the cable yet, but just about to take a look around. Kind of beat though, long day of travel. Left the house at 2. What time is it now? Almost 4:30. Didn't really sleep last night. There's the bathroom and the shower. Not too bad. Anyway, I'm here. So I will be doing, I don't know, I'm so tired. Anyway, that's it for right now. I'm freaking beat. Bye, he gone. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's my first day here in Tortola. Got here yesterday around 4. Had a couple beers. Met Elizabeth from Delos. That was really cool because I've been following those guys forever, and she just rolls up next to me at the Nanny K bar and orders a beer. I'm like, hey, I know you. Anyway, I'm here for one more day before I head down to Penn's Landing for school. So I'll be on a boat for 15 days, 14 nights. Just gotta get a cab out of here like 8 in the morning or whatever. Yeah, so this room's not bad. I haven't figured out how to use the cable yet, which I didn't really care because I just went to bed. I was tired. I was up for like 40 hours last night. So what time is it now? It's almost 9. I gotta get out of here, change my clothes, take a shower. The water is kind of bad here though from the hurricane still, so it does a little smell. You're not supposed to drink it. So anyway, I just want to show you guys this view before I get out of here and start my day. It's right by the marina. The view's not going to be that great because I got my wide angle lens on, but maybe I'll change it later. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy the video so far. I don't really know what I'm doing, but whatever. Let me get out of here. There we go. Right by the marina. All these boats, a lot of them are damaged from the hurricane, man. It's pretty sad, but there's a lot of them with masts on here. Like a lot of them don't have are demasted. So anyway, that is it. He gone sailing. I'm out. There you guys. Here's my front door of my Nanny K little place here. It's pretty sweet. Filming around here. Doesn't look too bad. There's obviously some work going on from the hurricane, but it's a pretty sweet little place. Alright, that's it. We got views out the Binyang. What a view over here. This is freaking awesome. Anyway, walking to get breakfast. Hopefully I'm in frame right now because I have no idea. But yeah, that's it. See you later. Friday night beach barbecue going on here in Nanny K. Morning people. We got up early. We're going to take some sunrise pictures and then head out to the sailboat, and where I'll be showing you where I'll be spending the next few days, 15 days on a boat. Learning how to sail. Woohoo! Later, bye. He gone. after I caught the sunrise with the drone, I got into a cab and went over to Penn's Landing where I was going to meet the boat and spend the next 2.5 weeks learning how to sail. It was kind of a sketchy ride, I gotta tell you. Being on the left side of the road isn't fun.
Feels close, eh?
Yeah, a little bit. So I just arrived here to Penn's Landing, a little bit of a sketchy drive over the mountains to the other side of the island. Whew. This left-hand drive inside of the road thing is crazy, but pretty good, nice view here. Just getting ready for the captain's cleaning the boat, and then we'll come on board in a little bit. Alright guys, heading out to the boat for the next 2 weeks. Walking down the pier. We got 3 people, well 2 other people besides me and an instructor. Ought to be a good day. Here's my home for the next 2 weeks. And there's another wreck. There's the home for the next 2 weeks. Can you help with the lines? Okay. Little cow walking by. Going to make a beer run for the boat for the week. First day sailing complete. It's my room for the night, or for 2 weeks, I guess. It's a pretty cool old boat, man. 50-foot Beneteau.
It seems to close. I don't know whether it wasn't completely closed or just because you see the green showers of water came in. But
Day 2 of sailing school about to start. Let's get this done today. You go. At Cooper Island, end of day 2. Sweat my ass off. Good times, man. Man overboard drills. Sailed for a good 6-7 hours a day. Whew. It is hot, so I'm gonna go have a beer. And he gone sailing. These poor guys beached their boat. They slipped off the mooring ball, and then the cat came in there and snaked it from them. Yeah, so these guys are pretty much grounded right now. And there's the instructor, another classmate up there. Luckily, we didn't do that since we were so we got these guys tied a line to their mast, try to tilt it so they can get off the sand. I feel bad for them. Alright, here it's where are we again? Cooper Island. never sets on the British Empire. This is Peter Island. And this is where we were last night, Willie T over here. Good times. The opening night of Willie T's when the last one got destroyed during the hurricane.
We get started in 5 minutes.
Started.
Here, Sandy Spit, day 4 sailing. Sorry, I've been talking too much, guys, but a lot of learning, and I can't really film while I'm learning, so this is what's going to happen. I'm just going to talk maybe a second a day. Here's this cool little place for lunch. Hey guys, alright. First week of sailing school under my belt. And I'm just waiting for the new students. Getting ready for more involves. get some of those mooring balls over there. Yeah. So we're going for a little happy hour action, 4 to 6, and then back to the boat for some tuna steaks. Yeah, buddy. They're rebuilding this part for the storm. I hope you enjoyed this long episode of Big Wind Sailing in the British Virgin Islands. This video is dedicated to my dog Mia. I miss her very much. Shmee! Hi, Papa. Shmee, come here. Mia. Hi, Shmee.
We'll take him outside.
Mia.
There's some water outside.
Hi, Papa. Shmeego, Shmeego, Shmeego. Mia, 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 Mia. I love you, Shmee.